Hi guys, Tech Tutorials here. I know it's been a while, but I've been out of town lately, so I'm here to give you a series to repay you. So this is going to be on web design. So first you're going to need to go to Weebly.com and click login. And it will take you to something that looks similar to this, if not exactly this. If you can use Facebook or create an account. If you haven't created an account, you can X out of this and sign up here. However, I have. And then just create an account and log in. Now, let me delete that site. It gives me it gave me a weird site. So when you go into the board, the control panel, it'll give you this. Let's get started. What's the focus of your site? Now this means is it just a business site? Is it a blog? Or is it a store where you can buy items from your company or anyone's company? Now, you can choose any three of these. It doesn't matter. You'll have, like it says here, you'll have access to all the awesome features no matter what you choose. But I'm going to choose site because I like sites. Now you get to choose a template. For you, this will matter a lot, but for me, it doesn't matter a lot since this is just a test site to help you guys. I'm going to go with this one, though. This one looks cool. Let it load. Alright, now it will come into this choose your website domain. Now, what this domain is, youtube.com, that's a domain, okay? And the site YouTube itself, it isn't native to youtube.com. It has an IP address, and we'll get into more of this later on. We'll get into that later on, and I'll tell you that later. But for now, all you have to do is use a subdomain of Weebly.com, choose what you're going to use. This doesn't have to be permanent. This isn't permanent, but we're going to connect a domain of our own later on. So just type in whatever you're going to call it for now and hit continue. Now, click to add a headline. This is going to, this is just editing. So, tech tutor, and I promise I'm not in all caps. It's just the font. I'm looking right now and I'm not. This, you just put tech tutorials there. You can or don't have to put anything here, but I don't think you have to. Oh, I guess you do. This is a website for my YouTube channel. And then this button, this is really cool. This could take you to your channel. So, but I'm going to just put google.com because I'm not very creative yet right now. I'll edit it later. So let me type in test me. And when we publish it, you'll be able to click that and go to google.com. Now this, it's not going to say drag elements here. If we published it right now, which you do by clicking that, if we published it right now, you would not see this drag elements here. That is not in the site. This is just for the editing, this control panel. Speaking of control panel, let me show you some of the widgets over here. Now, the basic stuff, just image, text, slideshows, stuff like that. Next, structure, dividers, columns, a search box if you get Pro, and a button. Now, this is media, HD video from your own computer, audio clips if you had a podcasting site, but I don't have Pro, and I was able to do this anyway because my podcast host is awesome. Just ask them or look around to see if you can get HTML stuff. A document, you can upload files and have people download them. YouTube, a Flash media player, or a file. Then down here, commerce, just store stuff. and more. Quotes, HTML code, social icons, what? I'm sorry. RSVP forms, all this cool stuff. Even forums, but don't use those because they don't work very well. I'll show you how to get forums later on in this series. So the first thing we're going to do is we're just going to drag some text here, just because I want to start you off basic. So this is where you could go into some depth about what this website is for. So type in whatever you want. Doesn't even have to make any sense. It just has to be text. But I'm just gonna. This is a test text, right? And that will come up in our website. And you can upload an image too if you want. And a YouTube video. So if this is for a YouTube video down here in media. So if this is for YouTube, where is it? It's up here, isn't it? I know I saw it earlier. Here it is. YouTube. You can even put a YouTube video here, and I'll show you how to do that later on. Now we can go to the contact area. This is probably one of my favorite things because it's so fun. It's fun. It's not even any work. It's just fun. So just look around for what is it? What's it called? A form. It's just a form. God, I can never. Gosh, sorry. I can never. Contact form. Here it is. I can never remember where it is. So this is where you can get in contact with some people. So contact us now. No, I'm just kidding. But it doesn't have to say all of this. It doesn't even have to all be required. Email should be required. Name, I guess, doesn't have to be required. But I'd like it required. And you don't even have to call this comment. Just say message. Alright, and save that. And now, this is where you just type in about me. And then you can add some image plus text here. Or whatever you want to do here. I'm not going to do that because I don't have an image that I want to upload right now. I'll do that later in my own free time. And then you can type whatever your description is. This is my tech tutorial my tech tutorials website. Alright, and that's all we're gonna do for now. Or you can change it to whatever you want, but customize it and all of that. It doesn't have. Mine is just right now. It's just going to be for helping you guys out, and you are able to change this New York thing by hitting edit image, and I'll show you that later on in this these tutorials in this series. But first, let's end it with publishing it and using the contact form. Now I have my email open here. Go to contact. Oh, wait a second. Something I forgot to mention. You need to edit this. You don't, but I do, because it's sending emails to my old account. There. And please do not send me a bunch of spam emails. Okay, now it should work. Go to contact. Haha. 12@gmail.com. Haha. Okay, let's submit it. And it might take a while to send me. Here it is. Didn't take long at all. Ha ha. And it worked. So that is how, that is part 1 of my series on how to create a website. I hope you guys enjoyed this, and this will work on any platform of computer you have. And yeah, if you're using a blog, there is a Weebly app that will allow you to update your blog to post new posts. And I'm gonna show you stuff like let me open a note here. Let me close that down. Private chat rooms or public chat rooms, Twitter feed, Facebook. What else am I showing you guys? YouTube, forums, and and custom domain. And I will be showing you, that's what I'm going to be showing you in this series. So I hope you guys enjoy this. Actually, I'm going to just move that down because I don't like the name private chat rooms. So, subjects for series. So that's what I'm going to be covering. And I hope if you guys don't like everything, then you can skip ahead. If you don't want a private chat room, skip ahead. If you don't want a public chat room, skip ahead. If you don't want Twitter feed, skip ahead. If you don't want Facebook, skip ahead. If you don't want YouTube, skip ahead. If you don't want forums, skip ahead. And if you don't want a custom domain, then don't watch that. But there isn't anything to skip to. So you're kind of out of luck if you don't want any of these, unless there's a couple Weebly widgets that you'd really like. And I might be making a tutorial on how to make a web app for your website. It kind of already gives you a web app, but if you want to customize it some more, then I will also be giving a tutorial on that. Alright, have a good day, guys. Alright, see you later.